Hello everyone, this is our newest arm sculpting machine. This machine with 4 working hands. Now we can see this working hands is for body and belly, and this working hands is for arm and leg. Later we can show the details to see the interface. This is our interface for automatic and manual. We can see the automatic interface. For this one, you can choose female and male about the treatment. Here is the age of the range of the client. About this one is belly and arm for different treatment parts. The different things is there have additional working hands for the vaginal floor muscle. Now we can go on second interface. For this one, we can see is A1 and A2 channel for this part, and this is B1 and B2 for these working hands. Now we can adjust the parameter for intensity. And here, this one intensity is about these working hands. Now the treatment time is 30 minutes. We can press here. Now this part working hands is working, but the most advantage is this machine can be work at 4 persons at the same time. So now we can press here. All of working hands is working. It's working now. We can stop it. Go back and to see the manual model. The manual model is also have 4 working hands. For this part, we can adjust different intensity, and there have six system for the frequency is F1 to F6. It's circle treatment. Now we can press treatment. It will be working. This machine frequency can be adjusted 1,000, 110, 20,000. 100. This machine can work 1,020 Hertz. So when we treatment, we can adjust from lower to higher for the treatment. The third advantage is this machine use air cooling system. It can be work about 1 day, no problem. And also we can see here has a button of the handle. We can press here to start and pause treatment. It's very convenient when you treatment. Now I will test this machine on different area of the body. Now we can start treatment. I will use this working hand to do treatment. We can see the energy is 1,100 and the frequency is 7 and 5 Hertz. Press here, we can start treatment. You can see the muscle is active. During the treatment, if the client want to stop treatment, she can press the button of the handle. Now we can stop the energy. The treatment will finish. Start again. It's very convenient to do treatment. Now we can put the belt on the working hand. Then put this hand on this belt. You can adjust the treatment area from here. When you adjust the wheel, you can block here. Then we can continue the treatment. Now we can use setting working hand to do vaginal floor treatment. Now we can adjust from 100 and the frequency is 5. Press start, it will be treatment. Now we can see the setting working hand is working. It is meant for vaginal floor muscle.